Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 35 Kingsdown Park, an extended semi-detached bungalow with a detached studio and log burner and beautiful gardens. You've got the detached garage with workshop, and then internally at the property you've got a 33-foot by 18-foot open plan living space with a wood burning stove. Kitchen itself beautifully presented, contemporary with the island unit with its design. You've got 2 double bedrooms and 2 en suites here, really nice and convenient. And then of course to the front you've got the gated off-road parking to the front of the garage area. Fantastic location in terms of easy access through to local amenities. Of course, a really brilliant lifestyle location as well. Now, this property is beautifully presented throughout, as we've already come to see, coming through one of the main reception areas and then coming through to take a look at those 2 fantastic double bedrooms with the en suites there. We're going to shortly return back into that beautiful open plan living space to take a look at exactly what we've got there again. Now, we've got an absolutely fantastic open plan living, kitchen and dining space. Kitchen itself beautifully presented with a full range of fitted appliances as well as space for further white goods there. Really like the handleless sides there too, really nice and clean and sleek. Of course, you do have space there for further white goods as well. Now into the garden, really fantastic amount of space to work with here. Really nice, well-established space with, of course, plenty of entrance points too. And we're going to go through and take a tour of the surrounding of the property as well. So we've got a little summer house there in the garden. We'll then head along to go through and take a look at the parking areas and garage space around the front of the property, beautifully landscaped areas. And then we're going to go through and take a look at the detached studio with the wood burning stove in just a few moments. So let's go through and take a look at the detached studio with the wood burning stove. Beautiful space here, really nicely created, lots of natural light coming through here as well. Nice space for you to retreat to if you've got friends, family, guests over, or perhaps for something else as well. Could be a really fine source of additional income perhaps. Now, it's always worth noting with this property and its location, Kingsdown Park, absolutely fantastic, truly a lifestyle location here close by to all of your local amenities. So just going to recap a few points on the property before wrapping up today's video tour. This is of course number 35 Kingsdown Park, an extended semi-detached bungalow with the detached studio, detached garage and workshop, and internally to the property you've got that beautiful 33-foot by 18-foot open plan living space, contemporary fitted kitchen as well, really fantastic off-road parking, and 2 double bedrooms. I really hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why don't you give us a call today to book your own free valuation.